Hey guys, it's your mate Ross here, presenting you a watercolor tutorial on how to use skin tone colors. Though I only have two skin tone shades, but as I have already told you guys that no matter how much you mess up these watercolor sketches, they will always turn out to be a masterpiece. So let's just get right to it. Now, the first thing that I am gonna tell you to keep in mind is that the art supplies totally control your output. And in this video, I am using a white scholar sheet, which is not really good for water sketches, and a daily brand with 12 variation watercolor kit. Whenever I am using watercolors, they really irritate me in the start. Like, the flow won't go with my imagination. Because I'm a beginner right now. Once I get the initial touch in my way, the art will automatically sync up with my imagination. And the most important thing to do while painting is to wait for the initial coat to dry before moving up to the next one. Personally, I started adding some details way early just to motivate myself. Then I started adding some more details to speed up the process. And after the detailing was done, I moved on to the background to give it a little satisfying look. Next up was hair detailing. I don't have the right brushes at the moment, but I was able to pull off the hair detailing through some old brushes. Okay, I admit that I messed it up right over there, but still remember, water sketches will always turn out to be a masterpiece in the end. And after everything was done, I used Whitener to add some touching effects. And then after the whitener, in the end I used some colors to have some cool effects. Though I messed it up a little, but in the end, as I've already told you guys, that the water sketches will always be a masterpiece. I wasn't able to finish the video of some more detailing, but you will see it in the end. And as always, that's it for today. Do like and subscribe. Peace out.